ये कन्वर्जन से रिलेटेड था, जिसमें जो लड़की है,
girl's mother had given a complaint at the police station.
उनकी मदर ने एक तहरीर थाने पे दिया था कि
Girl's mother said that her daughter has been converted.
उनका धर्म परिवर्तन कराया गया है कुछ 2 लोगों के द्वारा, और वो
2 men were there with the girl.
जो 2 लोग थे वो मौके पर आए भी थे, साथ में उनको वो लेकर के आए थे.
But our investigations found multiple contradictions. The biggest being that the woman had married and converted in July, 4 months before UP's anti-conversion laws. Boy's family shows us the translated copies of their nikah nama. The boy's neighbors also back this.
नहीं खुश रहते थे दोनों. अच्छा. कोई
The girl was happy.
दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं थी. अच्छा. कोई परेशानी नहीं उनको. वो लोग कहती थी उनके साथ ही रहूंगी मैं तो. देहरादून से यहीं आ गई मैं तो यहीं रहूंगी. अच्छा.
The couple was here for 4 to 5 months.
कब से थे यहाँ पे?
इन्हें लगभग 5 महीना करीब हो गए यहाँ रहते थे.
More contradictions surface. The FIR filed by the mother says the girl was taken away a week ago, while when she spoke to us, she said that her daughter had been gone for over 2 weeks.
My daughter used to study at her aunt's house.
एक राशि नाम का लड़का था. मेरी बेटी वहाँ पढ़ती थी मौसी के घर पर आएगा. कहाँ?
A boy called Rashid lured my daughter and took her away.
लाकर ले गया देहरादून.
Lured her away. She has no free will.
वो भैला फुसलाकर ले गया. फिर वो काट आ गए.
आपकी बेटी कब?
We have been looking for my daughter for 15 to 20 days.
लापता हुई थी.
वो सब हो गया 15-20 दिन.
The families claim that they found out about the couple is contradicted by the Bajrang Dal. The Dal claims that they found the woman and the man when they had gone to get their marriage registered.
मैम 5 तारीख को हमें सूचना मिली थी.
This is the mob, right? Got information on December 5th that the Muslim boy and Hindu girl
कि एक मुस्लिम लड़का है और एक हिंदू लड़की है.
want to get married after converting.
वो अपना धर्म परिवर्तन करके जो है शादी करना चाह रहे हैं. तो हम लोग वहाँ पर गए, हमने देखा ये चीज सच है.
Found the information of the couple getting married to be true.
तो हमने पुलिस को बुलवाया.
Inform police. We have a complaint. People are in love and we don't like it. Call the police. Literally call the police. Oh. I'm losing patience with this story right now. They call the cops. Imagine living in a country where you get to call the cops because people are in love and the police is taking you seriously. Imagine living in a country where you call the cops and be like, yes, sir, what's your complaint? There are people in love and they have different religions. And they come like, we're on it. Say no more. Say no more.
सूचना दी पुलिस को.
In fact, even the family admits it was the Bajrang Dal that had alerted.
Look at this idiocy here. Muslim men use Hindu name first to get close to them. Woo!
Them to it.
Found about the marriage from the police.
बजरंग दल वालों से पता चला. वे हमें गाड़ी से रात को लेने आए. हम गाड़ी पे गए वहाँ.
Guys, these are consenting adults that are living with each other. Look at how everyone's business now.
के साथ.
The Bajrang Dal were evasive when asked how they found out.
देखिए मैंने आपसे पहले ही
We have secret sources. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. How are you not in jail right now? Shut the fuck up. Who are you? Who are you to make this your... Who the fuck are you? Like, I'm glad I was not... Guys, I think I would be arrested because if I was this woman, I would be like shoving that microphone somewhere that would definitely make me... Fucking hell.
है चीजें हमारा एक अपना खुफिया
We have secret sources.
जो इस चीज पर कुछ कार्य करते लेकिन वो सामने नहीं आएंगे कभी भी.
Look how proud he is. Aha, we discovered that people are in love. People are in love illegally. We have secret sources. We know.
We asked the men seen heckling the young woman whether the police had acted against them.
Look at these. Look at they're so angry. They're like, you're in love, and it's against the law.
They say no.
क्या क्या है इसमें कहाँ
Hindutva outfit claims discovered. They discovered. Look at this. Discovered husband and wife. Oh my God! What the hell is this real, guys? If this was like a Disney cartoon or something, and two people were in love, and there was these evil villains that were like offended by their love, and they were trying to separate them, I would be like, come on, they're this. The real world is not that black and white. There's not. The evil in the real world is not this transparently evil. Come on, Disney. This is not realistic. Make your evil characters a little bit more relatable. Give them some better excuses to be evil. But no, look at this. This is the real world. This is the real world. You have a mob that is offended by people falling in love. Queen Fabi is saying secret source question mark. What, like gossiping neighbors? yeah. Oh my God.
तो यानी कि इस मामले
Love jihad crackdown, abuse of law.
में आपके ऊपर कोई कार्रवाई नहीं है।
नहीं कार्रवाई क्यों
तो अभी एक वीडियो भी निकला था जिसमें आप लोग लड़की से बात कर रहे हैं थाने के अंदर, आपका चेहरा दिख रहा है, आपका भी दिख रहा है, और आप भी हर चीज आप भी दिख रहे हो उसमें। तो इसके ऊपर पुलिस ने आपसे कोई कार्रवाई की? लड़की को ऑलमोस्ट आप जोर जबरदस्ती से सवाल कर रहे हैं उनसे।
नहीं हमने
We did not raise any questions.
कोई सवाल नहीं करा, वो दिखा रहे होंगे तो कार्यकर्ता खड़े हो गए होंगे जब हम लोग थाने में थे तो।
It's guys, by the way, it's funny how the people who were in the live chat, the Hindutva morons in the live chat who were saying that this is fake news, now their comments is actually in defense of the mob. like wait, so is this fake news or are they doing the right thing? Can you like pick it pick your comeback?
हम कहाँ का सवाल जवाब करेंगे लड़की?
We were standing oh,
हमारा क्या मतलब?
okay.
वीडियो में तो साफ-साफ दिख रहा है।
नहीं उन्होंने कुछ दिखाया होगा तो
2 or 3 police officers were also there. Yeah, and it's amazing how they didn't arrest you.
पुलिस प्रशासन ने कहा होगा उस शायद आपने देखा उस वीडियो में 2-3 पुलिस वाले भी होंगे। हमने किसी से
We haven't seen any documents, haven't asked for it. Wait, I saw a video you guys were checking the documents. I mean, who are these people who are checking the documents? Like they are just civilians. They're not the police, and they were checking the girl's look, they were checking the woman's documents. They're like, we haven't seen any documents. We did not ask the girl anything. Look here, it's right here. Wait, is this like the whole point of this? He's saying we didn't, and this other video is like them. Look, this guy with the stick is this. They're asking her questions with the stick, and he's like, "Well, we didn't ask her questions. It was the police." It's the video. It's right here. Look at this guy. This guy has a giant stick in his hand. Like, is this not intimidation?
में आपका आप खुद लड़की से पूछताछ कर रहे हो, आपने ये नहीं लड़की डीएम का परमिशन।
Look, this is guy is like, oh, show me the. Look at him, the way he's taking the document. Like, let me see if you have a license for being in love.
लड़की डीएम का
Look at this.
परमिशन पत्र दिखाओ, तुम्हें पता।
He's not even the police. He's just a mob. He's checking people's documents to see if he could allow them to be in love with each other.
नियम क्या है आप लोगों के जैसे जैसे लोगों।
Look at the arrogance in his fucking face. I want to say there are things that I want to say that will get this channel a strike.
बनाना पड़ा है और ये सब कर रहे हो, इसके ऊपर आप किसी बालिक लड़के को पकड़ के ऑलमोस्ट हरास करके क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हो एक थाने के अंदर, इसके कारण आपके ऊपर कोई भी कार्रवाई चल रही है अभी तक?
Dude, fuck off, go home. Like, do these people not have? Oh my God. I'm only a worker.
नहीं आपके ऊपर कुछ।
What is your job? How?
मैं कार्यकर्ता हूँ भाई साहब को जानकारी।
नहीं कार्यकर्ता, लेकिन
we will know if there's anything.
आप वीडियो में दिख रहे हो तो आपके ऊपर कार्रवाई
आगे पता चल जाएगा।
अभी तक
We
नहीं
know
है।
nothing so far.
The police claim they have not received any complaint against the Bajrang Dal workers and hence no action.
Haven't gotten any complaints on harassment. Oh, well, you were standing there. The police was like, oh, we saw them harassing them, but we didn't arrest them for harassment because we didn't get a complaint. Well, you were witnessing it, you fucking morons. Do your fucking job.
अभी हम
I mean, like, how does things work? Like, here, this is the official complaint right here. Now go arrest them.
हमारे पास ऐसी कोई शिकायत नहीं आई है। अगर लड़की या उनके फैमिली मदर
Yes, they arrest the woman and investigate her, but the people that they're witnessing that they're doing the harassment, they don't get arrested.
की तरफ से कोई एप्लीकेशन इस तरह का दी जाएगी जो उनकी मदर आई थी
If we get a complaint from the girl, we will investigate. Hey, file a complaint.
थाने में एप्लीकेशन लेके अगर दिया जाएगा कि उनको उनके साथ
Wait, so how does this work in India? If the police like watches, like, so if you are like stealing, doing robbery on somebody, like if you like, if there's a police and somebody comes and grabs a woman's purse, and the police is just gonna watch and then gonna like, hey, did you not just see that? Go after them. Like, well, that lady there, she should first file a complaint. Like, dude, it's happening in front of you. He just took her purse and then go chase after them. Like, this lady has not yet filed a complaint. Like, how does is this how things work in India?
बदतमीजी हुई हरासमेंट हुआ तो कार्रवाई की जाए
Oh, look at this. Hail Modi. That's very fitting, by the way, Indian auntie. That sounds very familiar. That it just has a certain ring to it. You guys are, yes, keep using that. That's very fitting. That's a very fitting of the Hindutva ideology. Okay? Use that because it's very similar to something else that you guys should be always associated with. Katie saying that's just an excuse. The cops try to say we will do something when they complain. That's an excuse. Yeah, I know it's an excuse. The crime was happening right in front of them. Katie saying these people literally be like, we are just being good citizens on the side of the law. They act like the police and the BJP states allow them to act as such. That's insane. The stick is a light version. They often carry around swords, tridents, and pistols. Crap. Okay. Oof. I see how you can be extremely pessimistic, by the way, Katie, with all this crap. And also subscribe to our newsletter because if we get removed from all these platforms, at least we could reach out to you. And guys, by the way, if you subscribe to our newsletter, you get a free copy. Where's your copy, Susanna? Get it. We're doing promotion. You get a free, it's not even promotion, it's free. Okay, so if you subscribe to our newsletter, link in the description, you get a free copy of Why There's No God. Come on, like I'm handing it out for free. Okay, it's a bestseller on Amazon and you get it for free. So subscribe to our newsletter and you get a free copy of Why There's No God sent to you. Link in the description.